We've got the handy tools you need to make your property shine. Will this Craftsman gas chainsaw do the trick? Our experts are here to help you make the right decision. First, take a look at the dimensions to make sure the size is right for you. Now, does it fit your needs? 2-cycle engine, fully assembled, and bucking spikes will make your work quick and easy. Next, let's test the performance, carb compliance, and gasoline powered. Make it a hard-working choice. Next, let's see some more features. Red and black finish, trusted warranty, and strong steel build are important to keep in mind when making your choice. Did it work well for others? Other customers loved it, giving it a total 5 out of 5 rating. We hope you got all the information you need to get started. If you want to know more, check out the details below at Sears.